You know I love that, son. Walked another site. Check that, look at that. Ooh, that's a school. Yeah, we do those too. Yeah, we do those. So, they had a guy. Everybody's got a guy. Electrician thought they could do something. It always seems so easy what we do, but it didn't work out. And they're exhausted. They're like, Mike, you gotta come. You gotta come. We need this to work. So they reached out. They said, hey, come down. Come check it out. Look at that school. Come check it out. Make it right. Make it work. And see what you can do. Came right away. Oh, man, it was so sad. So simple. But we're going to make it work. Get these kids the system that they need, they deserve, that they paid for. Not reinvent the wheel. Keep it under budget, not even on budget. Make it happen. And do this for the kids. Let the kids live. Let them do their thing. Let's not be a hindrance. These are one of those heartfelt projects. I love helping schools out. Reminds me of being a little kid. Oh man, this one's gonna be one for the books. Catch you at the next one.